Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to highlight the differences between XRP and RippleNet. So there are lots of misconceptions again about XRP and RippleNet. Some people use it as synonyms, other people misunderstand the relationship between RippleNet and XRP, but we're going to highlight that and I will try to provide clarity to the best of my knowledge. Alright, let's get started. So that's the first thing is so we already covered that, but let's talk about it again. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset which was built for payments. So it was, when it was created, and it's still being developed by lots of community contributors and also programmers at Ripple. And the goal was making it fast and cheap. So that it was especially built for that use case, but it can be used for everything else as well. So except regarding the smart contracting part, I will talk about it another time, but let's go on. We can see here it is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger. So the XRP ledger is the distributed ledger network, meaning all the different servers and computers have the Ripple server on it. So the union of all these computers, this network, is called the XRP ledger. And the XRP ledger again is how it is runs a software which is run on multiple computers across the globe. Alright, so now we covered what XRP is, and then we've got RippleNet. And RippleNet is a product which the company Ripple is offering, so it has nothing to do with XRP per se. So just if it doesn't matter if RippleNet is there or not, XRP works. RippleNet is just a product built on top of it. You could also develop a financial product and call it whatever, YourNet, or you could also develop a piece of software which is similar. And they just program their overlays, their own programs, interfaces and APIs, how banks can interact with each other, and Ripple themselves, they are leveraging XRP, so they're using XRP, they're building on top of XRP, but any actor could do that. So also anybody could, like I said, try to develop that specific use case. And they are just offering, like I said, financial products. RippleNet is a product, and everybody who is onboarded on the RippleNet system can source liquidity from one place to another within seconds, more or less. And the XRP ledger itself has functionality for issued currencies, and anybody could also issue their currencies on the XRP ledger, so they could do that, they don't have to. And the issuer of an issued currency is the trusted party, so they can also issue more of the issued currency. For example, if a bank decides to, for example, issue their own euro on the XRP ledger, they could, for example, issue more. So currently on the XRP ledger is GateHub and Bitstamp. So GateHub is issuing digital euros and Bitstamp is issuing US dollars, and also GateHub. Alright, so I hope I highlighted here the differences here. So like I said, RippleNet is just a product which is leveraging and using XRP, and XRP itself is just a digital asset anybody can use, which is part of the XRP ledger, and the XRP ledger is decentralized and nobody has central control over the XRP ledger. Alright, I think that covers it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.